I didn't initially on purpose get into renewables per se, but as I found myself here, I really fell in love with the industry. I ensure that all of our installs on a day-to-day basis go smoothly and that everything is done efficiently, and we match plans and make sure everything is ready for inspections. Mainly just set our crews up for success.
I just like being able to design things. We actually map their whole house based off of drone pictures. It gives the install team the exact layout. It tells them exactly how many panels, what they need, microinverters, and then send it over to our project coordinators, and they get all the permits to the customers.
So I am responsible for permitting, interconnection agreements. I work directly with municipalities and utility companies to obtain permits that we need for solar installation. I also handle inspections after installation has occurred and submit all of that information to the utility company so our homeowners have permission to operate their systems.
All we want to do is be as educational as possible and make sure that the customer really understands what they're getting and the motive behind why I've designed it that way. Solar Advisor goes out to homes and looks at a customer's energy bill, talks to them about what their needs are, and then designs a system in 3D and tries to accomplish the goal that the customer has set in mind.
I pretty much ensure all the crews are ready to go the next morning. We prep everything the day before, pulling assets as required. It's just a lot of hustle and bustle. Everybody's moving around, everybody's ensuring that they've got everything they need to take out to perform their jobs.
My day-to-day looks arriving at the shop, unloading our trailer from the day before, looking at plans, loading up new equipment for our job for the day. Getting with my team of guys, usually a crew of 4 people, so 3 other guys, and we all just travel out to the job site and start installing the solar project.
We have a service crew, and they kind of handle the minor service jobs that we have. And we also have an advanced technical crew that goes out and pre-wires a lot of our solarcs or more difficult jobs. They try and ensure that they can get the job done in one day.
We pride ourselves on being just the best at installation in the state.
We really strive to make the customer's experience as best as possible.
There's so much potential here. I think we're gonna grow a lot, even in the next year.
It's an awesome experience being able to see the company grow and be where we're at today. I always continue to ask myself, where are we going to be in the next 3 or 4 years?